Hello and welcome to my video. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very simple gingerbread man. Wish you a lot of fun, subscribe to my channel and let's begin. Decoration I will crochet with the cotton yarn. This is Catania from Schachenmeier, but if you want you can use any yarn. And we need matching crochet hook. I will crochet with crochet hook 2.5 mm. But this white round with little bit thicker 3 mm. We need scissors, sewing needle, and for the buttons, mount and eyes I use these little styrofoam balls, but if you want you can sew the buttons, mount and eyes. As a first I crochet head and body. They are two the same pieces like this one. I start with the magic ring and crochet first round, chain 2, and now 9 double crochet in the ring, and then I have together with the chain stitches 10 double crochet. Now I crochet 9 double crochet in the ring. And 9. Now pull yarn and close the ring. Second round I start in this second chain stitch here and crochet slip stitch, and now chain 2 and 1 double crochet in the same place. Now I crochet 2 double crochet in every stitches, here, 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 and this repeat to the end of round. 2 double crochet in every stitches. 2 double crochet in the last stitch is this one. And now we have together with these 2 chain stitches 22 double crochet. Now cut yarn, pull yarn, and I will sew the last stitch. In this first stitch through both loops from the front to the back, and in this last stitch only through the back loop from the front to the back, and sew yarn on the back side. From these 2 pieces you can leave this starting yarn 15 cm long, and then I will sew with this yarn head and body together. Now I will crochet hands and legs, and I crochet this way. First is this hand, then the first leg, second leg and second hand. On this piece, here is the last stitch. I mark second stitch to the right, and now 1, 2, 3, and in this 4th stitch I start first hand, first stitch, and now I crochet chain 7 5, 6, 7. Skip first 3 stitches and in the next stitch 1 triple crochet. And continue 1 triple crochet in the next 3 stitches. And 3. Now cut this yarn, pull yarn, and I will sew this side on the body. In this first stitch, from the front back to the front, and in this last stitch, from the front to the back, and sew yarn on the back side, but you can sew together with this last triple crochet. Cut yarn, and with this first yarn the same on the back, and first hand is ready. First leg I crochet this way. I start in the 4th stitch, 1, 2, 3 and 4, first stitch, and now crochet chain 9, six, 7, 8 and 9, skip first 3 stitches and 1 triple crochet in the next stitch, and now 1 triple crochet in the next 5 stitches. Together I crochet 6 triple crochet. Now cut the yarn and sew this yarn together with body in this first stitch to the front, and in this last stitch to the back, and sew yarn on the back side. Second leg this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, again chain 9, skip first 3 stitches and then 1 triple crochet in the next 6 stitches and sew yarn end, and second hand 1, 2, 3 and 4, chain 7, skip first 3 stitches and 1 triple crochet in the next 4 stitches. The hands and the legs are ready, and now here I have 6 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and with these 4 stitches I sew head on this body. From the head 4 stitches too, 1, 2, 3, 4, and sew it together. Sew yarn on the back side. I put the white yarn and thicker crochet hook, and I crochet this last round with white color. Start somewhere here, but I crochet only in the back loops. This is the first stitch. And I crochet slip stitches only in the back loops. Here in the corner, slip stitch, then here, and here I have not the back loops, therefore here I crochet only through the one yarn, like here, here, here. Again one slip stitch in every stitches. One slip stitch here in the corner and continue this way and crochet to the here. And slip stitch in this last stitch, cut yarn, and I will sew the last stitch again. In this first stitch, from the front to the back, through both loops, and in this last stitch, only in the back loop from the front to the back. And sew yarn ends on the back side, and now you can starch and ironic the gingerbread man. Now I will glue two gingerbread men together, and here in the middle I put something to hang. At the end I will decorate the gingerbread man from both sides, and now looks like this. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.